Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining me today. If you're looking for a full-size luxury sedan that combines ultimate comfort, cutting-edge technology, and astonishing performance, the 2026 BMW M760 is a car that demands attention. BMW's flagship sedan takes elegance, power, and innovation to the next level, making it one of the most compelling choices in the luxury segment. In this video, we'll explore every detail of the M760, from its exterior design to interior comfort, powertrain technology, safety features, and pricing. Body panels. The 2026 BMW M760 features precision-engineered body panels made from a combination of high-strength steel and lightweight aluminum. These panels not only enhance the car's structural rigidity but also contribute to reduced overall weight, improving both handling and efficiency. The sculpted doors, muscular fenders, and sleek roofline create an aerodynamic silhouette that cuts through the air effortlessly. Every curve and crease is intentional, balancing elegance with sporty aggression, giving the M760 its unmistakable road presence. Headlights. Up front, the M760 is equipped with BM's laser-light LED headlights. These adaptive lights provide excellent illumination over long distances while adjusting automatically to curves and oncoming traffic to reduce glare. The sharp, angular design of the headlights complements the aggressive front fascia, giving the car a modern yet authoritative look. Taillights. At the rear, sleek full LED taillights stretch across the trunk line, emphasizing the car's width and road presence. They illuminate instantly when braking and are designed to provide clear visibility for drivers behind, enhancing safety. The sophisticated light signature gives the M760 a futuristic and premium aesthetic, even from a distance. Grille. The iconic BMW kidney grille is larger and more pronounced than ever, projecting a sense of power and prestige. Functional air intakes integrated into the grille feed the V12 engine and cooling systems, ensuring optimal performance while maintaining refined styling. The combination of chrome accents and bold contours perfectly balances elegance and aggression. Seats. Inside, the M760 delivers first-class comfort with ergonomically designed seats. Front seats are fully adjustable with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, offering long-distance comfort without compromise. High-quality leather and fine stitching enhance the luxury feel, while rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and optional reclining seats for a limousine-like experience. Dashboard. The dashboard is a blend of modern technology and premium craftsmanship. Soft-touch materials, leather, and polished metal trim create a luxurious ambiance. The driver-focused layout ensures that all controls are within easy reach, while the digital instrument cluster displays performance metrics, navigation data, and hybrid energy flow, if equipped clearly and elegantly. Infotainment system. The BMW iDrive infotainment system features a large touchscreen with intuitive menus, voice control, and gesture support. It offers navigation, smartphone integration, media streaming, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. Performance-focused displays provide acceleration, torque distribution, and hybrid system data for drivers who want a more interactive experience. Steering wheel. The multi-function leather-wrapped steering wheel is designed for precise control and comfort. Integrated buttons allow access to audio, cruise control, and safety features, while paddle shifters give an engaging manual control experience. The steering delivers a direct and responsive feel, enhancing both high-speed stability and city maneuverability. Engine. Powering the 2026 BMW M760 is a 6.6-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, producing exhilarating horsepower and immense torque. This engine provides effortless acceleration, allowing the M760 to launch from 0 to 60 mph in just a few seconds. It balances thrilling performance with refinement, ensuring smooth operation during daily driving while offering supercar-like thrills when demanded. Hybrid option. For 2026, BMW also offers a mild hybrid system on the M760, designed to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions without compromising power. The hybrid system works seamlessly with the V12 engine, providing electric boost during acceleration, energy recovery under braking, and enhanced smoothness during low-speed driving. Airbags. The M760 is equipped with a comprehensive airbag system, including front, side, curtain, and knee airbags. Advanced sensors detect the severity and direction of impact to deploy airbags precisely, maximizing occupant protection. The structure of the car's chassis also contributes to safety by effectively managing crash energy. Parking assist. Despite its large size, the M760 is easy to handle in tight spaces thanks to advanced parking assist technology. Features include surround view cameras, ultrasonic sensors, automated parallel and perpendicular parking, and distance alerts. These systems reduce stress while parking and protect the car's premium exterior from accidental damage. Price. The 2026 BMW M760 is expected to start at approximately $160,000 to $175,000 USD, depending on optional packages and hybrid configuration. Considering the combination of V12 performance, luxury, advanced technology, and exclusivity, the M760 remains one of the best flagship sedans in the world. Ending note. That concludes our detailed review of the 2026 BMW M760. This flagship sedan perfectly blends luxurious comfort, cutting-edge technology, and mind-blowing performance, making it a standout in the full-size luxury segment. Whether you're looking for a high-performance daily driver or an opulent long-distance cruiser, the M760 delivers on all fronts. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next